Dreaming of a kitchen makeover but feeling overwhelmed? Remodeling your kitchen is a major project requiring thoughtful planning. With the right approach, you can enhance your daily life and boost your home's value. First, assess your space. Identify existing issues and envision your ideal kitchen layout. Next, budget wisely. Plan for materials, labor, and unexpected costs to avoid surprises down the line. Gather inspiration by researching current design trends. This will guide your choices and keep your remodel on track. In planning your kitchen layout, optimize the work triangle, the relationship between your stove, sink, and refrigerator. Consider adding extra workspace where needed. Efficient storage solutions are a must. Think about cabinets, drawers, and pantry space to keep your kitchen organized. Lighting is crucial. Use a mix of task, ambient, and accent lighting to create a well-lit, inviting space. Don't forget about ventilation. Proper ventilation keeps your kitchen fresh and reduces cooking odors. Choose energy-efficient appliances that fit your needs and lifestyle. Select durable, easy-to-maintain materials for countertops, floors, and backsplashes. Factor in potential costs for relocating plumbing and electrical systems if needed. Design your kitchen with functional zones for cooking, food prep, and cleaning. Consider sustainability by incorporating eco-friendly and energy-efficient options. Plan for future needs and flexibility to keep your kitchen relevant for years to come. Prioritize your budget based on your most important features and upgrades. Finally, pay attention to details like hardware finishes and small design elements. These touches can really tie your kitchen together. Need expert guidance? Partner with Fairmont Kitchen Center. Our professionals can help you with design decisions, material selections, and ensure a smooth remodeling experience. Ready to transform your kitchen? Contact us at 304-933-5662 for professional assistance in Fairmont WV. Thanks for watching.